Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of FML. Today I got a surprise, but first I need to change the battery in the BMW because it died. It died in the most inconvenient spot, to be honest. And that'll be a funny story to tell you guys after we're done doing everything that we're doing and out of the cold, because right now it's snowing here in Wisconsin. Probably can't actually see that in the phone, but whatever. There you have it. Battery's not holding a charge anymore, so let's change the battery. And the tailgate open, so we got that going for us. My filthy back. I've already started tearing into this because it died and I couldn't jump start it from where it was parked. Again, more on that later. Stay tuned to the end. During the removal process, batteries in the BMW are located within the vehicle, so they have this vent tube for any vapor that's in there. I broke it off. Called up some parts stores. You'd think they'd have like a universal kit, and they don't. And they're not going to have it here for almost a week. And that was like almost all of them. So I went to the hardware store, and I'm going to kind of craft my own setup so we can hook that up and be done with it and move on with our lives. So I went to the parts store, the hardware store. The only thing I could find was this T. So what I'm going to do is cut off an end and we'll make it work. We'll seal it off. And then that'll be a wrap on that. Alright, well, we got our battery installed, and right there, our lights are on. So we got power. I'm probably going to have regrets, but I'm just going to put everything back together and hope it all works out. Alright, so we got everything buttoned up in the back. I got my little helper here with me. And we're going to see if it starts.
Don't forget to go backwards.
There we go.
Don't forget to go backwards.
There's supposed to be a relearn thing for batteries in BMWs. I'm not sure if this one is a part of that, but I'll figure that out when I get there. Alright, now for the surprise. I did something. I got a really good deal on these, so I couldn't pass them up. And then I got a really good deal on something else. It's just a week of good deals for me. So now the reveal. It's gonna be a little windy in this video, so I apologize, but here we are. I got 20-inch rims. They are brand new. They were still in the box. and I ended up getting them for $600. 8.5 wide in the front, 10 inches wide in the back. And then the tires are Pirelli snow tires, and I got them for 160 bucks. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna install these and I'm gonna run them during the winter. Comment below on how I should protect the rims. They should be okay for one winter, but whatever. No regrets. Alright, driving on the new rims. So far so good. The rims are not hub centric to BMW, and I know I should get rings for it, but I haven't ordered them yet, and I'm really excited to get these and put them on. So I will be ordering the rings, but as of right now I don't feel an issue. I'm gonna go to a place and I'll do some scenic picture videos of it with the rims on it. First impressions is I really like the rims. Second impression is that I need to lower this thing. There's a huge wheel gap. The tires weren't exactly what I wanted, but they were really close. And I was looking for tires with a little bit bigger sidewall, and I was getting ready to order them. And then I decided to check Marketplace and jumped on these. As for their snow performance, I mean, give it a week here. I think we'll have some snow. Cumulative snow. Big words. Alright, next video will be of me doing a walk around. Just kidding. Next video is going to be talking about the story that I brought up at the beginning of this video. So, I let my friends borrow this thing, and I've been having issues with the battery. It doesn't hold a charge for more than a day. So, they borrowed it. They took it downtown. They had it overnight. It started up. Then they took it downtown, and then they were downtown for about an hour and a half. And I'm gonna assume that they left the door open, and that was enough to drain the battery while they were eating lunch. So they give me a call, and they're like, "Hey, battery's dead, man. What do we do?" No problem, just go down there, give them a jump start. I get down there, and they're parked, and there's cars on either side of them. I can't access the front end of it to jump start it from the leads up there. Alright, whatever, the battery's in the trunk, so that's one good thing about a BMW. On this particular BMW, the hatches are electric, and I can't get back there, so I have no way of getting into this thing. And I'm standing there thinking, scratching my head, hoping that the owner on the driver's side of the vehicle showed up and could be like, "Hey, I can give you a jump start, you know, no problem." That didn't happen. So I ended up taking the battery out of the Civic, bringing it up to the front, hooking up the jumper cables to give it enough juice to open up the hatch, put the battery back into the Civic, pull behind there, and jump start the BMW. which is really easy to get to the battery in these things because there's only a tire, an air compressor, 14 brackets. So that's kind of how my day went yesterday. So I decided to get a new battery and be done with this. I'm not getting anything about the battery having to be programmed, so I don't know, we'll just keep driving it and wait for it to leave me abandoned somewhere. And thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, like my videos, comment on my videos, let me know what you think, what you would like to see. I can always take requests. Alright, you guys have a good day.